Using your smartphone to design flyers, logos, and book covers is a very important skill that you need to learn in this digital age. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your smartphone to design beautiful flyers like this, and even logos and mock-up for book covers, for t-shirt designs, and many other things using a very simple and easy to use application software. Make sure you have subscribed to this channel in order to be notified on the next tutorial video, because it's going to be a step-by-step practical one to achieve you being a professional at this. See you in class. The next icon here in Pixellab, plus sign. Let me highlight that again for you. This plus sign, it says current date. I want to add today's date to this flyer, and automatically the date has appeared. Look at it right here. This is the date here. It has appeared. So today is the 7th day of February, which is the second month, 2025. So, and then if I want to add a sticker to my flyer, I tap on sticker, and then you see the options. The options will automatically appear here. See the stickers here, down here. So you pick the sticker that you want. So I've tapped on this one, and this is it right here. So I can either increase or reduce the size of the sticker as I desire. So to increase an image, work on an image, to increase it and not to alter the shape, you have to use the larger circle here to drag it in or out to increase it or reduce it. So that's actually how it works. If you pull it from here, the side here or here, you will alter the shape. So that's to add sticker to my text. And then the next option here is to add shape. If I want to add a shape to my text, I tap on shape. If I want to add an image from gallery, I tap on image from gallery. If I want to draw, I just go to draw, and to give me what I want. Now the next tool here to explain is this particular tool. This particular tool is to help you save your work. So let's tap and see how it works. It shows save as project. Do I want to save this flyer as a project, or I want to save it as an image? The first thing you do is to save it as a project before you save it as an image, so that after you save it as a project, you can always recover your work. Even though you notice a mistake, or you want to change your mind, or you change your mind over something, a text or a write about an image that you use in a flyer, and you want to go back to change it, you can just go back to the project and recover it. So tap on save as project, and you type the name. Maybe thank God it's Friday flyer, TGIF flyer, and tap OK. It will automatically save. Now how do I see that project that I have just saved? You tap here on this first icon here to see your project, your saved project. You tap and then see this option here, my projects. Those are the works that you have done. You tap here and look at it right here, this particular flyer, TGIF. So you just tap on it, and then you have recovered your work. So these are just other ones I've worked on. So look at it here. That's how it works. Your work is saved and you can always access it. So but then if you're done making the flyer, you can save it as an image. Tap on save as image, and once you tap save as image, you go to this custom here and set it. Tap custom. Now you go to very high. And why you're picking very high quality is so that the quality of the images used in your flyer will be retained. It will not drop, it will not reduce. So you tap on very high, and then you go to save to gallery. So once you tap save to gallery, it will automatically save into your phone, and you can now edit it further using Snapseed and share it to the person you want to share it with. Now the next icon here is this particular icon. This is the share icon. Do you want to share your work on social media, on WhatsApp, or any Telegram, or any platform of your choice? You tap share. Now the next icon here is quote. Do you want to add a quote to your flyer. You tap quotes and then you see the options. Okay, this is not in English, let me reset it. It may be the same thing with yours, so you just tap here to reset it to English language. So once you tap here, the options will open. This is English language here, this is it right here. So you tap there and then automatically you see it as the language has changed. So I want to add a quote, maybe this first quote, always there to learn something useful. I tap on that quote and automatically that quote has appeared. Look at it, although it is white color, so let me change the color so that you will see it will be visible. I go to text. Look, now I want to work on this particular text. I go to text here to work on and see the options has appeared, and I go to color. I scroll to the right and see color here. I pick black color, so it has made this particular write-up visible. Now the next thing here is this particular icon. What does it do? The work of this particular tool is to help you make some adjustments on your flyer. Do I want to use an image from a gallery, or to make this image a full screen, or to use an image from my camera, or export image size, contact, tutorial, recover, auto save, open, and all of that, exit and all that. So you can also adjust the size of your flyer using this image size, just like what we looked at when we were working on the background, how we adjusted the size of the background or the flyer. You can also adjust the size from that image size and do the same thing that we did there. You can reset it, either adding to the width or to the height, and tap OK. So that's actually how it works. And then the next thing here is this particular icon here. So when you tap it, it helps you to write or edit any write-up. So the first option here, do you want to edit a write-up? You tap here and then it will edit that particular write-up that you have highlighted. Right now the write-up that is highlighted here, if you notice, is this desire to learn something useful, because you're seeing the bar on it has appeared on it. That means it's highlighted. So if I want to work on it, I want to edit it, rewrite it, I can just tap here to rewrite it. If I want to copy, duplicate it, I can tap here. If I want to increase the size, TT. If I want to rotate it, I tap here. If I want to position it, I tap here. If I want to add color, I tap here. If I want to take it to the front, I tap here. If I want to take it to the back, I tap here. So that's actually how this icon works. So the next thing here is this particular one. This icon here is to delete as it looks. So if I want to delete what is highlighted, I tap on delete. That text is highlighted, tap on delete. So this icon here is to undo what you have done, any action you've taken. I want to undo this. The last thing I did was to add color to this always desire to learn something new. So if I want to undo that color, look at it, I tap undo and then it has changed back to the previous color. So this one here is to zoom in or out, like increase the size. Really see, take note of details, tiny details in your flyer.